Hi, and welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we'll be going over how to add a new category for recording your expenses. In order to do this, we'll have to add a new financial account to our chart of accounts. Okay, let's get started. From any screen in ZarMoney, go to the top bar navigation and hover over Company. From the drop-down, click Chart of Accounts. On this screen, you'll be able to see all of the financial accounts in your chart of accounts. Okay, so in this example, we're going to add a new financial account. To do this, go to the top left corner and click Add a new financial account. From the pop-up, we're going to want to select the account type from the drop-down. Here you'll be able to select any type of financial account that affects your financial statements. But in this example, we're going to go with an expense account type. Okay, so I want to be able to categorize one of my expenses as a marketing expense. So for this financial account, I'm going to name it marketing. And once I click Add New, marketing will now be a category available from my expense screen. Okay, let's scroll down and see the account that we just created. And as you can see, here is our marketing account. You'll notice that it's listed under the expense category. These are our selling, general, and administrative expenses. For an expense that is directly related to the cost of your sale, you'll want to choose cost of sales as your account type. Okay, so for the organization of my financial statements, I'd like to visually see marketing under selling expenses. So I can do this by clicking the pencil icon next to marketing and then making marketing a sub-account of selling expenses. Then I can save and update. Okay, now let's create a new expense and see that marketing is now a new expense category option. All right, there you have it. The expense is now saved under the marketing financial account. You'll now be able to view the marketing expenses in your profit and loss statement. Okay, that's all for this training session. To delete a financial account or make it inactive, please refer to our other ZarMoney training video. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.